how to set up donations in WordPress. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to create a WordPress donations page. Now for today's video, we will be actually utilizing an external platform called Stripe. And Stripe can handle donations through its payment links. So over here in Stripe, as you can see, we could easily create a new payment link over here. And over here, we have options. We could select the type. And over here, there are two options. We're going to be selecting the customer choose what to pay because that is best for donations, as you can see here. You can enter the cost or title of your donation page and then the currency over here. As of now, this is the preview of our donation page. So we're going to click on create link. After that, we will then be able to copy a code over here where we could click on the buy button over here, which will generate our code. We could choose between a card or a button. We could settle with a button for now. So we're simply going to copy and now go to your WordPress website and simply search up custom HTML over here and paste your HTML code. We could click on preview, which will show us a preview over here on what it would look like. And you will be able to see and appreciate how it looks like when you publish it. So now simply put everything else, set up everything else that you need, and you will then be able to have a donation page for your WordPress website. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.